Exposing the hidden wonders in math and science one equation at a time. The Temple equation is a conceptual framework that links various mathematical and physical concepts, including quark spin, the intrinsic angular momentum of quarks, which can take values of +1/2 or 1/2. Platonic solids, highly symmetrical three-dimensional shapes that have identical faces such as tetrahedrons, cubes, and octahedrons. Electron placement, the arrangement of electrons around an atomic nucleus, described by quantum mechanics and wave functions. Fibonacci sequence, a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones, often related to the golden ratio. Golden ratio, phi, a mathematical constant approximately equal to 1.618, which appears in various aspects of art, architecture, and nature. Pi, the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter, approximately equal to 3.14159. The Temple equation can be expressed as P's RRT equal sign SN CN 5 PHN 1 PHN 16N1 8N plus 1 KHSN SP, where PSRT is the wave function describing the quantum state of the system. Cn are coefficients representing the contribution of each state. 5 PHN 1 Fran represents the Fibonacci numbers using Binet's formula. 16N1 is part of the series that converges to P. KHSN represents the spin states of the quarks. SP is a symmetry operator that accounts for the symmetry properties of the Platonic solid corresponding to the arrangement of particles. The Temple equation serves as a theoretical construct that illustrates the interconnectedness of these mathematical and physical concepts. Now, let's integrate these with Tesla's concepts of frequency and mass, using gold as an example. Tesla proposed that every material has a specific frequency. The new equation can be expressed as Φ equal sign Kp's RT, F μ, d2x dt2 WCln. Here, Φ is the frequency of gold, PSRT is our Temple equation, F μ is a function that describes the properties of gold, d2x dt2 is the rate of change in acceleration of electrons, and WCln is a wave function that incorporates the properties of light, sound, and frequency waves. This equation isn't just gibberish. It's a theoretical mashup that links quantum mechanics, material properties, and wave phenomena. Who knows, it might just inspire the next big breakthrough in physics and math. Keep exploring and stay curious. Step 3. Relating the machine to biological systems. Just as machines have interconnected parts working in harmony, biological systems function through a series of complex interactions. For instance, the human body operates through the coordination of various systems, much like a well-oiled machine. Neurons in the brain communicate through electrical signals, akin to circuits in a machine. The circulatory system transports nutrients and oxygen, similar to how a machine distributes energy. The immune system defends against pathogens, much like a machine's security system protects against intrusions. Understanding these parallels can lead to innovations in both fields, enhancing our grasp of biology and engineering. By studying the mechanics of life, we can develop more efficient machines, and by improving machines, we can gain insights into biological processes. The synergy between these disciplines holds the promise of groundbreaking discoveries. So, let's continue to explore the fascinating connections between machines and biological systems. The Golden Temple equation is expressed as F_au equal sign K hc squared, a 2pt. Components explained, F_au, frequency associated with the mass created from light, gold, K, proportionality constant, PSRT, wave function representing the quantum state, H, Planck's constant, M_au, mass of gold, C, speed of light, d2x e dt2, acceleration of electrons, A, amplitude of the wave, lambda, wavelength of the light, nu, frequency of the light. Proposed equation structure. We can express the integrated concepts in a way that reflects both the backward and forward relationships, emphasizing the synthesis of these ideas. Begin, align, breakdown of the equation F a total represents the total frequency or energy associated with the system, integrating all components. K, a proportionality constant that relates the various components of the equation. I equal sign 1, circumflex, 7, P_I, represents the 7 parts that contribute to the electron sphere. Each P_I could represent a different property or state of the electron, such as charge, spin mass, energy state, interaction with fields, quantum state, wave function characteristics. A, J equal sign 1, circumflex, 6, S_J, represents the 6 quark spins, where each s_j corresponds to a different spin state of the quarks that combine to form baryons, for example, protons and neutrons. I, RT, the wave function from the Golden Temple equation, representing the quantum state of the system, h(m)c², represents the energy associated with the mass of gold, linking mass and energy, E(d², xe(dt²), the rate of change and acceleration of electrons, indicating their dynamic behavior. AAC.SINGLEFT, frac, toof, peer, lambda, x, nu to right, represents the wave function characteristics of light and sound, incorporating frequency and wavelength. Conceptual flow backward. Integration. The equation can be viewed as starting from the total frequency or energy and breaking it down into its components, the 7 parts of the electron sphere and the 6 quark spins. This reflects how complex systems can be understood by analyzing their fundamental parts. Forward integration. Conversely, the equation can be seen as building up from the individual properties of the electron and quarks to arrive at a comprehensive understanding of the system's total energy and behavior. Conclusion. This integrated equation conceptually links the properties of an electron and quark spins with the Golden Temple equation, emphasizing the interconnectedness of these fundamental concepts in physics. While this framework is theoretical and speculative, it serves as a basis for exploring the relationships between mass, energy, and quantum mechanics. Further research and exploration would be necessary to develop rigorous mathematical formulations and empirical validations based on these ideas. Binet's formula. Binet's formula provides a closed-form expression for the nth Fibonacci number, Fn, frac, Fn, 1, phi, na asquart, 5, where phi frac, 1 plus l scart, 5, 2, the golden ratio. Connection to pi. One way to connect this to pi is through the following series, which converges to pi. Pi equals sign sum underscore and equal sign 0, infty frac, 16 circumflex, n, Fn, left, frac, 4, 8n, plus 1, plus a frac 4, 8n plus 4, plus a frac 4, 8n plus 5, frac 4, 8n plus 6 right. This series uses Fibonacci numbers Fn and converges to pi. Combined equation. Thus, you can express pi in terms of Fibonacci numbers and the golden ratio as follows. Pi equals sign sum underscore and equal sign 0 infty frac 16 circumflex and 5 circumflex and ye phi circumflex n 1 phi n left a frac 4 8n plus 1 plus a frac 4 8n plus 4 plus a frac 4 8n plus 5 frac 4 8n plus 6 dot right. This equation illustrates how Fibonacci numbers, through Binet's formula, can be used in a series that converges to pi, thereby linking all 3 concepts: Fibonacci numbers, the golden ratio, and pi. Key concepts to integrate mass-energy equivalence. According to Einstein's famous equation E=mc2, energy can be converted into mass. This principle is foundational in understanding how mass can be created from energy. Quantum mechanics. The behavior of particles at the quantum level, including the observation of electrons and their interactions with light, photons, plays a crucial role in this framework. Photon-electron interactions. Photons can interact with electrons in various ways, such as through the photoelectric effect or pair production, where energy from photons can create particle-antiparticle pairs. Golden Temple equation. This equation combines various physical concepts including wave functions, frequency, and properties of materials, which can be used to explore the relationship between